Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have a fun, exciting unboxing for you guys. I'm actually going to be unboxing the Fabfitfun 2020 Summer Edit Sale for you guys. If you guys want to know what I got, stay tuned. Alright, so before I do my unboxing, you guys know what I'm going to say. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings, mostly makeup subscription boxes. I like to do mystery boxes. I like to do makeup hauls and shopping hauls, mostly beauty related. But if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. I am new on YouTube. I'm going to be like almost 3.5 months now on YouTube. I'm very consistent. During quarantine, I posted practically every day, but now that I'm back to work, I'm probably going to be posting maybe 3 to 4 times a week, which is still good. So if you would consider subscribing to me, I would love it. You guys to death. Give me a thumbs up if you like unboxings and leave a comment down below letting me know did you guys get anything from their summer edit sale. Alright, so I actually ordered this box June 20th, so it took probably like a week and a half to get here. It wasn't that long. I got a lot of stuff on their summer edit sale. I mean, not on the summer edit sale, the last sale that they had. I think it was like, what was the last one? The spring one. But there was still a couple of things that I wanted to get, so this is what I got for the summer box. So I just want to start off by saying I love this box. Look how nice this box is. It's nice and summery. It's so big I can't even fit in the frame. I gotta like push myself out to get in the frame because it's like this box covers my face. It's like huge. It's so big and I didn't get that much to get a box like this, but I guess they give everybody one generic box. One thing that I got this Dominique Cosmetics palette from Ipsy. It was like a flash sale. This was 50% off. It originally was $44 and I got it on sale for $22. I don't know if it's on sale with Ipsy. I threw away the box because it was only one thing. So I'm like, I'm not going to do an unboxing video just for like one thing. But I just wanted to let you guys know. I don't know if they still have it up on Ipsy. But if they do, I just thought I'd let you guys know because it was just like a random day. It was like flash sale, 50% off. 22 bucks for this palette is not too shabby because Dominique Cosmetics is not cheap. Their palettes is not cheap. So let me just show you the palette. I really have to stop buying eyeshadow palettes because I don't know if you guys saw my eyeshadow palette collection that I showed you guys, but I have well over like 300 and something palettes, almost close to 400. Like I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. You don't believe me? Watch my video that I posted and you'll see. So I have no reason to be buying any more eyeshadow palettes, but honestly, I don't think I could help myself. But this is what the palette looks like. It's so pretty. I wanted to buy it, but I'm just like, I don't need any more palettes. But since it was 50% off, I told myself, hey, why not? How beautiful is this palette? I loves it. So yeah, just thought I'd show you guys that quickly. But now back to my Fabfitfun unboxing for you guys. So I guess like every season that they have the boxes, they have their like edit sale. So this was like the summer edit sale. So let me see what I got. So they give you like a little packing paper with your information, which I won't show because my address and everything is on here. But they always give you like a little paper that tells you what you got. I don't know if you guys remembered, but I fell in love with the I don't know how you pronounce it. Is it Spongel? Spongel? I think it's Spongel. I think before I was saying Spongelli, but I think it's Spongel. But I fell in love with the Spongel line. I absolutely just like love like the smell of these. And I think they're very convenient because like you have your little puff thing that it comes with. They have a little string that you can attach to it. And oh, this smells so good. I just fell in love with it. The first one I got was like the coconut verbane one. That was my first one that I got, and then I just fell in love. I had ordered this from their last sale, not this one, a different scent, but now every time they have their sales, I just buy a couple of them. So this one is papaya yuzu. And you're supposed to get 14 washes out of here. You probably could get more. But I just love these. They smell really great. The smell lasts on your skin even after you get out the shower. So I saw that these were on sale. I want to say these were on sale for like $7. I think they're like 14 and they're on sale for $7. I think that's how much they were on sale for. I'm almost positive. Whenever they have their little sales, it's a good deal. So happy to get this. And I had bought this one the last time around, and I love the smell of it. So I'm like, let me pick up another one of these as well, because I love the scent. The next thing I got was another one. Can you guys guess? This is the Coconut Blossom. And I love the Coconut Verbane one, so I figured that this one kind of would smell good too. I'm going to do the test on camera to see, because I didn't know how any of these smelled. Like the last one that I bought, when they had a sale, I didn't like all the scents that I purchased, which I just have in a box with my giveaway so somebody else can have it. Since I love these, you guys could try it too, because everybody has like different scents. It smells nice. It's more on the vanilla musky side, which I don't like anything with vanilla in it. So I'm going to give that away. But let's test this scent. Very nice. Coconut Blossom. Love this, love this, love this. Very nice. And all you have to do is just wet these, and they activate with water. So you just like wet it and it activates it. And then I just keep it out in the air so that it air dries. But love these. So I'm super excited for these. Alrighty. The next thing I got is nothing makeup related. I bought this Bentgo Classic Sleek Easy Solution for Schoolwork and Travel Compact Storage. I like this because it has like a fork, a spoon, a knife. You can like put like a salad or something on the bottom and like 2 different compartments on the top. It's microwave safe, 2-year warranty, BPA free materials, dishwasher safe, top rack only, all in one stackable lunchbox. Very, very, very excited for this. Alrighty, so that concludes my box. This is what the box looks like when it's empty. I love the inside of the box. It was short and sweet. Today was a short and sweet video. Just feel bad now unboxing stuff without showing you guys. I'm like, no, I'm going to hold it and I'm going to make a video and show them, because I feel like I just got to share everything with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys were able to get some things for the summer edit sale as well. But if not, they have it every single season, so you can get it the next time around. But they are wonderful good deals when they do have them. So when they have them, definitely make sure you get some things. So, with that being said, this is the end of my video. If you haven't already, you guys are gonna know like my spiel already. Watching my videos, you guys know what I'm gonna say. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you guys waiting for? Subscribe. If you watch my videos anyway, you can just show your girl some love and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. I love the thumbs up. Letting me know you liked my video, letting me know you like unboxing videos, letting me know you just like me in general, letting me know you're giving me support. Leave a comment down below letting me know how's your day, what did you get, you know, we'll talk, you know, girl talk. And that's it. I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing.